Schema Markup is a type of structured data added to your website's code. It helps search engines understand your content better, and it can improve how your pages appear in search results. Think of it like giving Google extra context. For example, if you run an event, Schema can show the date, time and location directly in your search listing. Or if you have reviews, Schema can display star ratings beneath your link. These enhancements are called rich snippets, and they can improve click-through rates, even if your ranking doesn't change. There are different types of schema for businesses, products, articles, FAQs, recipes, and more. You don't need to code from scratch. Tools like Google's Structured Data Markup Helper or plugins like Rank Math make it easier. Schema doesn't guarantee rich results, but it increases your chances and builds trust with search engines. Subscribe for more tips and visit bottletopcreative.com for beginner-friendly help with Schema.